Today we are learning about the subject-verb agreement, which is one of the significant topics of the SCT grammar. You would have almost 3 to 4 questions in the total module of SCT verbal part. Subject-verb agreement, and it seems very easy that we just need to learn and know that the third person singular, when we are talking about, we have to use S or ES with the present indefinite tense. With the continuous tense, it would be is. With perfect tense, it would be has. So there is a different form of the verb with the third person singular. But the problem arises when we get confused that which noun is the subject of the sentence, to identify the subject in the sentence. So there is few rules that we have to keep in our mind to always remember that. The first one is that to avoid subordinate clauses, which are together with, along with, as well as. Any of these clauses do not change the subject. The first noun in the sentence would be the subject, even if it is singular or plural. The second one is prepositional phrases. Any prepositional phrase attached with the subject would not change its form. For example, the captain of the various teams. So over here, we are talking about the captain only, not the teams. So the verb would be of singular. The third rule says, which is the vice versa of the first two rules, whereas the second noun would be the main subject of the sentence. For example, in either my parents or my brother. So my brother would be the subject of the sentence and we'll put the verb accordingly. The next thing that we have to keep in mind when we are doing the subject-verb agreement is that to remember that when these nouns are used as the subject of the sentence, they are always singular as well. For example, the gerunds, all the ing words, infinitives, all the two-form verbs, indefinite pronouns or someone, anyone, everybody, collective nouns as in team, army, or committee. And the last thing is whenever any of the subject is attached with each, every, and no. So we have to keep in mind that whenever we get these subject in a sentence, we have to take them as a singular subject. That is the most important thing for the subject verb agreement. Thank you.